Guys, let's look at how to fix if your roof is like this and it also appear on the ground floor. Okay, so this is how the roof floor is looking. Okay, so to fix it, you have to select the roof. Okay, then you go to roof properties. So in the roof properties, you have to go to the floor plan and section. So when you open floor plan and section, the first option we see that is lying at all story. Okay, so you click on it, then make sure you put it on home story only. Alright, then we go to the second option, then we put it on outlines only. Okay, so after you're done with that, you have to go to the first option, which is the geometry, then positioning. Then we make sure we put it on current story. Okay, let's click OK and see how it's going to look, how our roof will be like. Voila. Okay, so now we have a nice roof. Okay, all right. So we can do further editing to our roof as well. So we go back and let's change the pen. Okay, so from the change the on-card pen width all. You can as well change the roof pattern at this place. Okay, yes, but for now let's leave it like this. Click OK. So the roof color and the lines have changed. All right, so our roof is now nice. And when you come to the ground floor too, you will not see the roof there as well. Okay, so thank you very much. Please support and help me by subscribing to my channel, then share this video with your friends. God bless you. Watch out for the next video.